Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. You can also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. I already unboxed it. Totally forgot to record it, so here we are. This is coming from my good friends over at BenQ. This is a first of its kind. It's a Trevolo S series, and this is going to be a Electrostatic Bluetooth speaker. Ooh, baby. Definitely excited to show you guys this. I've seen some other vids on the tube that showed this thing off, and it looks and sounds amazing. So definitely can't wait to show you guys what it is and how it works and everything. And of course, we'll have some music testing it out. Oh, I almost cut myself. There we go. So definitely check them out, guys. If you don't know what to get somebody that's hard to shop for, this would be a nice little gift. Trevolo Series S. Here we go. Not sure what this is. Oh, it's a one of those type plugs for different countries and stuff. Take everything out. Make sure I got everything. Yep. Alright, put this on back. Trevolo. Hello. Alright. Ooh, kind of looks like the Xbox Series S. We got something in here. We get a nice little satchel bag, travel pouch. That's pretty cool. I'm liking that. And you get this plug. Get this. Okay, this is what you gotta do. Have some fun. Easy setup. Oops. I totally missed the box. Alright, clip this on. There you go. That's standard for American side, and there we go. And power, USB. But yeah, this, I cannot wait to show you guys. It's like a mini transformer. It's really cool. Something new for the speaker industry. Well, this is how music's supposed to sound. Stuff like that, so. But it is the first of its kind, though. But this is gonna be a, man, I'm gonna have to cut it out. There we go. It's alright. Sometimes you got to. There we go. It's a long cord. There we go. Bluetooth mode. We'll do that in a few. Okay, we got that out of the way. Garbage. We don't need this. You get the manual. Garbage. And then here we go. Check this out. Bam. And then you can close it like that. Compact size. Side. USB right there. Bottom. Top. Boom. You can use it as a conference speaker. Pretty much anything. You guys can set it up with the Bluetooth, power button, volume, mode. But we'll definitely turn it on. I'm going to have to get my other phone. I might have to charge it. Okay. plug this thing in. So plugging it in will be really simple. If I can fit it. Oh, come on. Go in the hole. There we go. See, sometimes you just gotta talk to it. Oh, this is mini though. Really tiny. Will not take up any space. Even with the wingspan. Kind of looks like a TIE fighter type deal. Really cool. Alright, let me stretch it out a little bit more. Oh shoot. Alright, got this tangled. Dang it. Hold on. Alright guys, see, pretty long cord. Goes all the way, yep. All the way down. You got it right here. Gotta press the power. Here we go. Bluetooth is flashing. So I'm just gonna use this Galaxy, whatever it is, S20 Plus. Maybe we'll scroll down to the list on your Bluetooth. It should register something. Trevolo or yep, there it is. Trevolo S pairing. There we go. And it's gonna say pair request. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let us go on YouTube. I hope it doesn't do commercials. Copyrighted, license free. There we go. Oh, shoot.
New customers has been.
I just turn it down for a second because of the commercial might have copyrighted music. I wish they wouldn't do that, but I understand why with the copyright, but they gotta let things slide like this. How else we're gonna test the music? I don't know. Here we go. Gotta make sure that's all the way up. This sounds so good though, if you guys hear it in person. You can have it like this.
Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful.
And it puts, no, it depends on what type of music. Country, hip hop, techno, more than hip hop. So I mean, I could deal with this kind of music. It all depends on what music. Rock and roll, heavy metal. Yeah, it sounds amazing, guys. I'm telling you, definitely get one for yourself, your family member. They'll definitely appreciate it. And you can use it as a soundbar too for like movies, stuff like that. So there's a lot of good options you can use this thing for. That sounds amazing. But this read the manual with the different modes of me. So I mean, that one. But you heard the difference in one. Definitely check them out though. Really good. Sounds amazing.
Kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is tight and waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control.
Alright, YouTubers, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. You guys be safe. And see you guys in the next video. Have a good night.
Listen, I can see the light, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best.